Hi students, so we are discussing fifth lesson, that is age of adolescence. In last class we discussed, so you are in the age of adolescence. What is the age of adolescence? And so around it starts from 10 to 19 years. The period of 10 to 19 years age is called as adolescence age. Now you enter. So I given some questions also yesterday, whether you are entered into adolescence age or not. Yes or no? You have to put yourselves. So yes or no. So this is very precious period for you. So some people, they will take their own decision. They will not ask their parents. They will not ask their relatives. So they will take their own decisions. Some students, they will take their decisions by asking their friends. So this is very critical age, a very important age for you. So because there are so many internal changes, so many external changes will take place in our body. So this is a very precious time for you. You are not supposed to neglect about yourselves. You are not supposed to take wrong decisions. If you take wrong decision in this age, in the adolescence age, so for the whole life we have to suffer. So changes in our body. So changes in our body. So in last class we can see that changes in the height. So in today activity 3, so this is one more homework I am giving. So look at the table. What changes you can see in your body? Name of the students, age, what is your height, present height. You can measure the chest, measure shoulder, voice, soft or harsh. So today homework I am giving. You have to write, you have to find out, you have to consult your friends. Write your friend name, what is his age, height, what is the height, chest. Female friends consult female, girls should consult girls friends, boys should consult boys friends. Shoulder, or the shoulders, whether they have voice soft or harsh. We can easily identify. In girls we can see very soft voice, but in boys we can see harsh voice. So we can easily identify their characters. So this is about changes in our body. How can we see the changes in our bodies? So the next one is, we'll discuss voice change. How the voice will change. How the voice is going to change. Next one is sweat and pimples. Sweat and pimples. What should be done? Last one is, what should be done? If you are getting sweats and pimples, what should you do? First one is voice change. How I am speaking? The question is, how I am able to speak? Through the lungs, the air is coming away from the lungs. So when we breathe, what happens? cavity, pharynx, larynx is there. So look at here, there is an elongated protrude structure is there in our neck. This is called as Adam's apple. So Adam's apple. So in the above the Adam's apple, we can see the larynx. Larynx also called as a stiff box. Stiff box also called as sound box. Vocal cords is present. Vocal cords is present in the larynx. It is made up of with 9 cartilages. 9 cartilages. What is cartilage? What is the difference between the bone and the cartilage? So our body, you can see there are plenty of bones is there, but some parts is there, they are made up with cartilage. For example, external ear. This external ear we can bend it properly. The corner of the nose, tip nose, there are so many parts in our body like made up with cartilage. Cartilage is not harder than the bone. We can bend it properly. So the larynx and the inside of the neck, larynx is made up with 9 cartilages. So when the air is coming away from the lungs, so the nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea will divide into 2 parts. Bronchus, bronchus is going to divide so many bronchioles. Every bronchioles is attached to the alveoli. So this is about lungs. When we breathe, so the air enters into the lungs, the nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles into alveoli. In the alveoli, gases will exchange oxygen, enter into the blood, from the blood carbon dioxide into the alveoli. See, when air is coming, pushing outside from the lung, air, when it's coming to the bronchus, bronchioles to the trachea, when it's come to the larynx, what happens in the larynx? There are 9 cartilages there, so it's a sound box, or vocal cords is there in the larynx. While this sound coming out, this air is coming out from the larynx, it will vibrate into the larynx. The vibration will take place in the larynx. That's why I'm able to speak. Because of larynx is present in the neck. This larynx is responsible for the speaking. You are singing the beautiful voice because of larynx. So the larynx, because of larynx, I am speaking, singing, shouting, whatever maybe you can do. This is about the voice can changes. What happens? There are so many different changes we can see in the adolescent age. In the voice, the stiff parts, the vocal parts is not properly. There is a width, more width is present in the pure pipe. In the vocal cords, what happens? There is a huge gap is there in the voice. The size is increased. But in female, in girls, they are very narrow tubes. When the sound is coming away from the lungs, it can enter to the narrow tubes. They can get a sweet voice. But come to the voice, then the tube is very widthy. When the voice is coming away from these tubes, they come very hard sound. For example, if you take elephant, so in the elephant there is a long very tube is there. When elephants make a sound, how it will make very big sound. They have very big tract. But come to the some like very birds. So they have very sweet voice because the narrow is very small. This is it depend on the stiff box, that is larynx. So the larynx, we can see a very sweet sound in the girls, very harsh sound in the boys. So when they are growing, so we can see the differences sounds in the boys, but very sweet sound in the girls. This is about voice changes. Okay. So next one is you can see Adam's apple also. Okay, you can see Adam's apple. Take any fruits, put it in the mouth, masticate it properly. So put one finger in the neck, masticate it, then swallow it. What happens? This Adam's apple is moving up and down. This is nothing but it's a epiglottis. It's a pharynx. It's moving. It's controlling both food pipe and windpipes. It's controlling both food pipe and windpipe. Next one is sweat and pimples. So during this age, we can see there are so many sweats, and due to this sweats, we can see the pimples on their faces. When pimples started appearing on the faces of the students 8th class, 9th class, what they will do, they will starting itching, like they will remove the waste materials present in the pimples. What happens? It will apply to the whole mouth. So they will gillutam దాంట్లో ఉన్న pus ఏమైతుంది, it will spread to the mouth. So we can see the more pimples on the faces. Why these pimples will occur? Due to from the skin during this age, we can see the sebaceous glands will be released. The sebaceous glands release sweat glands. So when the sweat is coming away from the body, we can see a smell also in our body. So we have to wash our body properly during this ages. It is also very, very important. We should wash the faces with a lukewarm milk. We should apply some like detergent soaps also. So due to the pressure, we can see the pimples on the faces. You can see the pimples on the face. They are worrying. They will worry. They will feel. They will become a recklessness. They will become very different thinking. So they will not taking about themselves. So during this age, the students will affected with the pimples on their faces. Then what should be done if you get any pimples, and what should be done? So let us look at. Do not scratch the pimples. The first one is do not scratching the pimples. If you are scratching the pimples, if you have one pimples today, if you are scratching, tomorrow you will get two. If you have two, if you are scratching, next day you will get four. It will spread through the face. Do not scratch. Wash your face regularly with mild soaps. You can use some mild soaps to clean the faces thrice a day, morning, afternoon, and evening. So while you are washing, the bacteria will be destroyed by these soaps. Use lukewarm water. So this lukewarm water will be destroy the bacteria present on the face. If you have more problem, so difficult problem, you should consult the doctor also. The last is never get worried of pimples because of stress and strain may help them to increase. If you are feeling very stress and strain every day, I'm getting pimples, because of the stress and the strain, the pimples number will be increased. So this is about the precautions. Wash your face, use lukewarm waters, you use mild soaps. If you have more problem, you should consult the doctors. So the most important, do not worry about your pimples. If you are worrying about pimples because of stress, because of strains, so you will get more pimples on your face. So this is about why change the table. The today homework I have given the table. Write your friend names. So their voice, height, chest, shoulders, soft voice they have or harsh voice they have. So the most important, why change? The question directly, write about Adam's apples. Thyroid is present in the neck. Thyroid release an enzyme is called as thyroxine. It's release hormones. Thyroxine hormones release in the neck. Thyroid is there in the neck. So due to this thyroid also we can get some diseases. If thyroxine is not releasing properly, the height will be not increased. We can get a drowsiness. The food is not digested. There are so many problems is there. It will depend on the growth of the body. The general growth will depend on this thyroid. Thyroxine is present in the neck. So why changes? Write about Adam's apple. Write about Adam's apple. Have you got sweat or pimples? Have you got pimples on your face or not? What precautions you are going to take when you get pimples? This is the indirect questions. So they are already given. So what precautions? What should be done when you are getting pimples on your face? If you got pimples, if your friends got pimples, what suggestions you can give them to decrease these pimples on the face? Okay, students. Thank you. So homework, the table, Adam's apples, and what precautions you can take when you got pimples on the face. Thank you.